Dumelang, ke a le amogela mo Losika Writes. Ke bidiwa Tshegofatso. Hi and welcome to Losika Writes. Today, I'm in a mood. I'm Tshegofatso and I am talking all things fun. It's winter, it's dreary here in Melbourne, and I just feel like I miss home, but more so the fun of going to a wedding. So I thought I'd start a series where I sing a wedding song and I explain it. As long as you don't judge the vocals, me and you are same WhatsApp group. So let's start with song number 1. This one is a very common one. I'll sing it and then I'll try and explain it. Okay, let's get to it. Makoti Ke Dinako, achiga chiga makoti wahanana. Makoti Ke Dinako, makoti wahanana. Makoti wahanana, achiga chiga makoti wahanana. Okay, let's try that. I'm gonna sing one voice and then I'm gonna sing the answering because it's kind of like an echoey song. Okay, so the lead singer, Makoti Ke Dinako, makoti wahanana, makoti Ke Dinako, makoti wahanana. So while the lead singer is singing that, the bass and the alto and everybody else are going hajiga jiga makoti wahanana, hajiga jiga makoti Ke Dinako, hajiga jiga makoti wahanana, hajiga jiga makoti wahanana, awa hakirani wahanana, awa hakirani wahanana. So what does this song mean? Makoti is the bride. And they're basically saying, bride, it's time to go. It's time to go. Are you like changing your mind? And the Makoti, the bride, is saying, no, I'm still with you. I'm not having cold feet. I am still with you guys. Yeah? Let's sing it. Makoti Ke Dinako, achiga chiga makoti wahanana, achiga chiga makoti Ke Dinako, achiga chiga makoti wahanana, achiga chiga makoti wahanana, awa hakihani wahanana. And then it keeps going. It's in a loop until the song ends. Yeah, that's your first ever wedding song in Setswana. Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, all the things. And till next time, Josiame.